Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to activate XRP in Trust Wallet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your app store and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then on the search bar simply type in Trust Wallet, and once you hit search and once it loads, all you gotta do is simply tap on the app and then tap on the get button to simply download the app. Now follow the on-screen instructions to successfully download the app. Now once the app has been downloaded, simply tap on open and open up the app, and once you open up the app, here what you need to do is simply create a wallet if you don't have, or simply log in with an existing wallet. Now once you have done with that, here what you need to do is simply tap on the search bar on the top and then type in XRP, and then here what you need to do is select the XRP, and once you have selected the XRP, the next is to fund the XRP wallet, get your XRP address, open the XRP wallet in the Trust Wallet, and then tap on receive to display your XRP address and QR code, and then purchase XRP from cryptocurrency exchange, transfer XRP to the Trust Wallet address you copied, ensure you send at least 10 XRP to activate the wallet, and then lastly check the transaction status in the exchange platform or blockchain explorer. XRP should appear in your Trust Wallet after a few confirmations. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.